Over the last 100 years, the Earth's population has quadrupled to over 7 billion. The impact can even be seen from space.
One of the key questions we're trying to address is over the sort of coming decades, right through to the whole of the century, is really trying to understand how will sea level rise, how will changes in storminess, how will changes in wave climate, erosion impact the sort of greater Perth metropolitan area.
So what are the likely consequences of a warming climate and a warming ocean?
Without a doubt, you can't argue about the fact that sea levels over the last 100 years have been rising. Now, one thing that's changed dramatically in the last 100 years is we've gone and built massive cities, big ports, big coastal communities on the coast. What climate change would do would be to accelerate that rate of sea level rise, and it would mean that while at the moment, say, we need quite a large event to cause serious problems, as sea levels rise, we need less and less extreme events to sort of cause coastal flooding.
So what are the future implications?
So over the next 100 years, the current projections of sea level rise, or we predict that sea level rise is probably going to rise by about 1 metre. If you look at sort of where Perth lies, how close we've built to the coast, one of the reasons we've done that is our very low tidal ranges, then you can see that 1 metre in sea level is going to enormously change the sort of situation. You look at many of the canal estates built, most of those properties currently lie within less than 1 metre of sea level. But probably far more important is not so much the slow rise in sea levels, but that rise in sea level will cause much more extreme events. So if we were to get even a very moderate extreme event occurring with that level of sea level rise, then we could see considerable damage to the coastal environment. We could see drastic flooding.
Predicting and understanding the likely impacts of a changing climate will be crucial in helping us prepare and adapt for the future.